you. Happy Republic Day to all. Respecting our President, Secretary, Headmaster, teachers, our honorable guests, and my dear friends. I am Brinda and I am here to say you all about the main highlights of the preamble. The preamble, which starts with "We the people of India," is very significant. This indicates that through the member of a constituent assembly drafted the constitution, this drafting authority has been derived from the citizens of our country. Sovereignty. Sovereignty is the life of independent nation. India has sovereign power to legislate on any of the subjects. It upholds the sovereign power of the nation. Socialism. Socialism is the life of socialist country. It says that socialism can be implemented even to democracy. Secularism. Secularism is the assertion that all the religions are treated equally. In the opinion of Jawaharlal Nehru, it is not only related to the worldly life but also to the spiritual life. Democracy. Democracy is a form of government where everyone has equal share. India is also a democratic country. It is a form of government where citizens are lords for them. Republic. Republic is a system where the head of the state or country is directly or indirectly elected by the people of India for a period of time. Justice. Justice, equality, liberty and fraternity are the four pillars of our Indian and political system. The main aim of justice is to provide social, economic and political justice to all citizens. Liberty. Liberty is required for all-round development of the country. There are no reasonable restrictions on any of the Indian citizens in terms of what they think, their behavior and they wish to follow any of the religion. Next is equality. Equality means that there should be no any reasonable restrictions on any of the Indian citizens on the basis of caste, religion, gender, language and the place of their residence. The main aspiration is to provide equal opportunities to all the citizens. Next is fraternity. Fraternity is the feeling of universal brotherhood. It is a discrimination of poor, high, black, white, low, poor, etc. Next is unity. Unity means the feeling of oneness and the belonging of our country among all the people. Next is integrity. Integrity is a characteristic that is required for all our elected officers. At last, the preamble is like a mirror to of a constitution. It is the principle of all the values, ideals, etc. We, as the citizens of our country, have a responsibility to implement all those principles. Thank you.